Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cycling maintenance with what many consider to be the best bicycle oil available, Muc-Off Dry Lube. If you're a cycling enthusiast like me, you understand the importance of keeping your bike in top-notch condition. And when it comes to lubricating your chain for optimal performance and longevity, Muc-Off Dry Lube stands out from the crowd. Let's talk about what sets Muc-Off Dry Lube apart. First off, its ultra-durable formula penetrates deep into your chain links, providing long-lasting lubrication that reduces friction and energy consumption. This means smoother gear shifts and improved overall performance, whether you're hitting the road or shredding the trails on your mountain bike. But what really makes Muc-Off Dry Lube shine is its ability to protect against contaminants in dry and dusty conditions. Thanks to its wax-based formula, this lube creates a barrier that shields your chain from dirt, grime, and corrosion, keeping it running smoothly mile after mile. And here's the kicker. Muc-Off Dry Lube isn't just great for your bike, it's great for the environment too. This fully biodegradable chain lubricant is made from high-performance, eco-friendly ingredients, so you can feel good about using it on your rides. Now, let's talk application. Using Muc-Off Dry Lube is a breeze. Simply shake the bottle, apply a few drops to your chain, and pedal to work the oil in. Then, wipe off any excess and you're good to go. To wrap it up, Muc-Off Dry Lube offers unbeatable durability, protection, and environmental friendliness. Whether you're a casual rider or a seasoned cyclist, this product is a must-have for keeping your bike in peak condition. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy riding!